Welcome to Easyshed, where we make life easy. Today, we're going to take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes journey of our state-of-the-art factory. Our journey starts right here with these coils, fresh off the delivery truck. You can be assured that your shed will stand the test of time. Once loaded onto the uncoiler, the steel is fed into our roll formers, and this is where the magic happens. With precision and efficiency, the steel is rolled rib by rib into our signature Easy Clad profile and cut into individual panels, each one specific to your shed height, width and depth. Now, with each steel sheet placed into our eco-friendly shipping box, we bulk out the sheets with protective packaging, ensuring your shed arrives unscratched. But we're not done yet. No Easyshed is complete without its accessories. From screws, bike hooks to tool holders, windows to skylights, we've got everything to customise your shed to perfection. With all accessories in place, it's time to seal things up. Our team carefully places the leads on the boxes, securing your Easyshed for its journey to your doorstep. Just like that, your Easyshed is ready to go. Our in-house freight team will sort the sheds geographically and plan the best possible delivery runs, ensuring they get to you as fast and as efficiently as possible. Your shed is then shipped to one of our Easyshed depots in each capital city, where they're transferred to smaller vans for delivery straight to your backyard. And there you have it, folks. From steel coils to the ultimate storage solution, this is how we make life easy.